You're locked into the Divine Martino Interactive Radio Show, Foxy 105.
Foxy 105 is Hip Hop and R&B. Divine Martino chilling out with you in the middays, 19 minutes after the hour of 1. So, this is the deal. Hookah, the hookah pipes, the actual tobacco that they use is called shisha in the hookah pipes, okay? Now, it's a trend. Everybody is basically doing it, but do we know the truth about smoking hookah? So I'm going to give you the myths and the truths of doing that, okay? Myth number 1, hookah smoke is filtered through water, so it filters out all the harmful ingredients. That is not true. It still has cancer-causing chemicals. The water-filtered smoke can damage the lungs and the heart as much as cigarette smoke. Number 2, inhaling hookah smoke does not burn the lungs, so it's healthy, right? Well, it doesn't burn the lungs because it's filtered through that cool water, which helps to cool it down, but it still contains those carcinogens. So, myth number 3. Herbal shisha, which is the stuff that's in the actual tobacco, okay? It's healthier than regular shisha. Just like smoking herbal or natural cigarettes, herbal shisha exposes the smoker to tar and carcinogens. So that's the myth once again. Smoking a hookah is not as addictive as smoking a cigarette because there's no nicotine. This is the truth. Just like regular tobacco, shisha does contain nicotine. In fact, it's about a 60-minute hookah session. Smokers are exposed to 100 to 200 times the volume of smoke inhaled from a single cigarette. Myth number 5, shisha tobacco contains fruit, so it's healthier than regular tobacco. Nope. You can soak it in molasses and honey. You can mix it with fruit, but it still has those same cancer-causing chemicals and nicotine. Number 6, smoking hookahs are healthier than smoking cigarettes, and the truth about that is that hookah smoke is just as dangerous as cigarette smoke. Hookah generates smoke in different ways, so cigarette smoke is generated by burning tobacco, while hookah smoke is produced by heating tobacco in a bowl using charcoal. The end product is still the same. It contains carcinogens. So, compared to a single cigarette, hookah smoke is known to contain higher levels of arsenic, lead, nickel, 36 times more tar, and 15 times more carbon monoxide than cigarettes. And yes, if you are in a hookah bar, you do get affected by the secondhand smoke. So even though it looks like a little genie in the bottle and it tastes fruity and all the rest of that good stuff and everybody's talking about it in a song, is it healthy for you? I just gave you the facts. Make your own assumption and keep it locked right here to the Midday Show on Foxy 105.